If you're considering Buffer for social media management and analytics, here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. We'll dive into how it stacks up against its competitors like Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Later, and what it offers for your social media strategy. Stick around to see if it's the right fit for you. Buffer's first big advantage is its simplicity. Unlike Hootsuite, which can feel overwhelming with its numerous features, Buffer keeps things clean and easy to navigate. You won't waste time figuring out where everything is, which is great for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who need something straightforward. Next thing, Buffer's scheduling capabilities are pretty solid. You can plan posts in advance across various platforms, which is a feature shared with other tools like Later. However, Buffer does it with a bit more ease. Its intuitive calendar view and drag-and-drop interface allow you to schedule, reschedule, and optimize posts without a headache. The third thing, Buffer's analytics tools are good, but not as in-depth as some competitors. For example, Sprout Social offers more comprehensive reporting, making it a better choice for businesses that need detailed insights into post performance. Buffer's analytics work well for basic needs, but if you're looking to dig deep into your metrics, it might leave you wanting more. Next thing, Buffer's pricing is another reason why many people love it. Compared to Hootsuite, Buffer's plans are more affordable for smaller businesses. While Hootsuite's pricing quickly ramps up as you add more features, Buffer offers competitive pricing, which makes it more accessible for those on a tighter budget. The fifth thing, Buffer's mobile app is a strong contender in terms of functionality. Whether you're scheduling, engaging with followers, or analyzing performance, the app lets you do it all on the go. While Sprout Social's app has more features, Buffer's mobile experience is still impressive and user-friendly. Now, the sixth thing, Buffer's customer support is responsive, but not as fast as some competitors. Hootsuite's support team is often quicker to respond to issues, which is something to keep in mind if you're managing multiple accounts or need quick troubleshooting. The seventh thing, Buffer is best for small to medium-sized businesses. While it can handle larger teams, it's not as robust in collaboration tools as Sprout Social, which offers more advanced team features. If you're working with a big team or need complex workflows, Buffer might not provide everything you need. Next thing, Buffer integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. While competitors like Later focus more heavily on visual platforms, Buffer gives you flexibility across both visual and text-based social networks. The ninth thing, Buffer's content curation tools are worth mentioning. It provides a browser extension for easy content sharing, which can save you time while curating posts for your feeds. Hootsuite has similar features, but Buffer's interface is often regarded as more streamlined. The 10th thing, Buffer offers a free plan, which is a great way to test it out before committing. Many competitors, like Sprout Social and Hootsuite, limit their free offerings, making Buffer a good entry-level option for people who are just getting started with social media management. The 11th thing, Buffer allows you to manage multiple accounts at once, but if you're managing more than a few profiles, you might find yourself needing more features. Tools like Hootsuite allow for greater customization and workflow management when dealing with a larger number of social profiles. Lastly, Buffer's ease of use is a major plus, but there's no denying that more robust tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite offer more features, especially for larger businesses. While Buffer is great for smaller teams and those looking for simplicity, it doesn't always compete in terms of deeper analytics or advanced features. So, is Buffer a good option? Definitely. If you want something simple, affordable, and easy to use, it's a solid choice. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced analytics, reporting, and team management features, consider checking out our recommended solution. You can try it for free, and it might be exactly what you're looking for.